This is the continuation of previous video. Welcome to my channel Explore You. I am your host Chandrachud.
I will connect USB-C hub with my iPhone 13. So in iPhone 13 I have Lightning port, but this one is USB-C. So for that I need adapter. But very fast you need this type of camera adapter. This type of camera adapter I will give the link in the description box so that you can go there and purchase it. It will cost you around 500 to 600. So first you need to connect this with your iPhone device. Since this camera adapter is having another part is USB-A port, USB-A female port, so I would not be able to connect this USB-C to this camera adapter. So for that you need another adapter which will convert this to USB-A to USB-C. So this type adapter you need to purchase. So another 150 to 200 rupees will require for this type of adapter. Let me insert this one. So now I need to connect this USB-C with my iPhone device. Here you can see after connecting the iPhone device, the light is glowing here. But the thing is that it would not work unless if you are connecting the power cable to the device, it would not detect the hard disk. So first let me unlock the phone and then connect the hard disk to the USB 10 Gbps port. After connecting it, you can see in hard disk light is glowing here. Now I will go to files. In files you are not able to see the external hard drive, but light is blinking. So for that what you need to do, you need to give the power. This is the power and this is connected with my power bank. Now you need to insert this to this PD port of that USB-C hub or USB-C docking station. Now it has been connected. Now you can see that power bank is on, and as well as you can see that iOS ext hard drive and Android ext. Because in this 1 terabyte hard disk I just created two partitions. One is for my Android mobile, another is for my iOS device. iOS is able to read both the file system, but Android phone is not able to read the iOS partition. So what I would do here, you can see like iPad gallery, I have taken already backup of my iPad, also taken iPhone gallery. In this gallery you can see lots of images are there. Right now what I will do, I just recorded the previous video how to connect the USB-C docking station with my Android mobile through this iPhone. So you can see here that video is recorded over here. So what I will do, I will select all these videos. Let me select this. I'll copy all these videos to my external hard drive. Now what I will do, I will click on this share icon, then I will go to save to files, then in file system root directory I will select iOS external hard drive, then I will select iPhone gallery. So once it is selected iPhone gallery, click on save. Mind it, in iPhone device or iOS device you would not be able to move the files from your phone to directory. You have to copy that, and once it is copied you can delete those files from your iOS device. So right now it is getting copied. So you can see here that small circle is moving clockwise. So this is the way how we are connecting the USB-C docking station with my iOS device or iPhone. Similar way you can connect this with iPad. That's why I am mentioning iOS devices. So I am skipping this part as of now. Once it is completed, we will meet again. Just to let you one difference here, if you can see like that is connected in this USB-C docking station, though my iPhone is not getting charged. Actually, this power supply is giving power to the USB C hub and the hard disk. So my iPhone is not getting charged, but in Android mobile you saw that Android phone was charging while I was copying the files from my memory card to hard disk. Also while I am copying from my phone to hard disk. So this is the difference. So you need to keep one thing in your mind, like once you are doing the copy, your iPhone should have adequate charge. So if you are copying like let's say 30 GB, 40 GB content from your mobile to hard disk, so you need to have adequate charge in your iPhone device because it would not charge your iPhone device. So already copy has been completed. So let me check if those files are present in that external hard drive. Yeah, right now I am playing this video from this hard drive. You can see that hard drive light is blinking continuously. So let me stop this one, and yeah, that's it. So another thing you have to keep in mind, while you are unplugging the device from your mobile, you need to keep in your mind, you have to wait for the stop blinking of the hard disk light. Otherwise, the files or something may be corrupted, backup may be corrupted. So we have to wait. Right now, the hard disk light is stable and it's not blinking. So what I will do, I will disconnect this from here and gradually disconnect all the things. I observed that my 64 GB pen drive was detectable by my iPhone 13 through camera adapter. You can see that USB drive has been detected by the iPhone and the pen drive light is also blinking. But the most strange part is that when I have connected M2 SSD directly to the iPhone 13 through camera adapter, it was not detectable. So it can be assumed like if you are connecting bigger device, then you need to probably give a separate power supply, otherwise it would not work. So in this case, we need to connect the USB-C docking hub. While I have connected this 64 GB pen drive in my Android phone through OTG, that pen drive was not detectable. So it was again strange part for me, but however, I think there is a compatibility issue, that's why it was not detected. In this experimental part, I have ended up with that like there is no hard and fast rule, it's all about compatibility. So if the device is compatible, that will be detectable. If the device is not compatible, that would not be detectable. In my next video, I will show you how to connect this USB-C hub with my Samsung Android mobile and convert that mobile as a computer with my TV. So this is the very beautiful feature while you are traveling. You can convert your mobile as a computer with the hotel room TV through the HDMI port. So stay tuned for next video. Also don't forget to like, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.